Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many Windows 11 home users might encounter. Imagine you're happily navigating through Microsoft Edge, trying to attach a file in Gmail or any other website, and suddenly, boom, the file picker window decides to go full screen on you without warning. Frustrating, right? Restarting your computer doesn't fix it, and resizing a window seems impossible. What a pesky problem to deal with. Now, for the solution to this tricky situation, here comes a magic fix on the title bar of the dialog panel. Simply double-click your mouse. Yes, if that easy, this standard mouse command works like a charm to maximize or restore any window, including dialog boxes. Just a simple double-click and voila, your file picker window should be back to its normal, smaller size in no time. A quick and simple solution to a not-so-fun problem. In summary, encountering a full-screen file picker window can be quite the annoyance on Windows 11 Home. But fear not, for the solution is as easy as a double-click. Remember, just double-click on the title bar of the dialog panel to maximize or restore the window size. Problem solved. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy computing!